today's trading idea, we have three. We start the first one. We re-highlighting the Bank Islam Berhad. One of the reason because we think the current structure still poised for further upside. After our earlier buy on the 5th of September, the stock is actually slowly building a new baseline before testing our first target, hitting about 6.6% earlier. So the peak at RM2.29 here is actually pretty much kept within our first initial resistance, as the stock is finally building a new baseline within a 50-day moving average. Now, yesterday again, despite what we call that a little bit on the smaller side of the candlestick, it actually formed a harami pattern. So harami is a bullish reversal pending another positive candle to validate this what we call that reversal. So that means if today's the stock price closing a little bit on the higher side, giving a positive candle, then yesterday reversal signal can be validated. Of course, on top of that, we need a much more stronger high trading volume. But as for now, trading volume a little bit on the lighter side. So while we think there's a decent chance for the further upside, I think validation should come in terms of the stronger candlestick. Regardless, I think in terms of general movement, it was actually pretty much looking more positive. Hence the reason why we re-highlighting the stock. We take our technical buy with the next target is actually RM2.27 and RM2.50, while support actually be revised higher at RM2.05. And then we have MGRC. So one of the reasons why we highlight MGRC because the recent consolidation is actually seeing the stock is actually forming what we call a new baseline above the Ichimoku cloud over here. So the triangle pattern look like about to end, particularly when you see a spike in the overall RSI reading over here. So higher trading volume for the past few days also improving. So we think there's decent chance for the upper breakout to occur in the near term. So a breakout above this neckline at next 51 cent could kickstart a new upcycle, with the next technical target is actually back at 55 cent and 63.5 cent, while the support color cycle will be below 45.5 cent. Last but not least will be Pentec Group Holding. So this stock has been highlighted at least twice already. So the last time we highlight will be on the 24th of August. The stock again little bit 6.5%, but it's actually did not able to go beyond our first target. First target is actually paid at 89.5 cent. The stock gained about 90 cent, but as you can see here, there's number of the rejection that showcase that there's plenty of selling pressure actually within our first target. But the subsequent pullback saw the stock is actually the downside was pretty much kept right within what we call that a series of higher structure here, and you can see based on Ichimoku cloud, there's a plenty of support is actually building up for the stock. So as the stock create a new higher structure, we think there's a decent chance for the uptrend to continue, while the trading volume a little bit on lower side. Here we see a slight signal that the momentum could actually start improving. So because of that, we are re-highlighting the stock as we reiterate our technical buy, with the next target is actually back at 94.5 cent and RM1.03, while the stop loss also has been revised higher to 82 cent.
Do 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 do.